Well, it means quite a lot. We don't have much to do with it, but you know the world is a global village, and it definitely will affect us, unfortunately, you know, but we pray this situation will be sorted out. It's not going to escalate. If it doesn't de-escalate, we'll end up paying, you know, big prices. Like what I said earlier on to CNN, if you look at it today, you know, Africa is very busy paying debt, and putting this again on top of us is going to you know, add a lot of hardship on people, on the governments, on the people, on everybody, you know, for something that we have no really any involvement in it. If you look at it now, you know, when you talk about energy affects almost everything, you know, and it's not only energy. Some people will try and take a chance and say, this is an opportunity, so let me make money, you know. So if this thing doesn't de-escalate, it is going to keep going up and up and up, and governments cannot really now go and add salaries also. So people will really feel the hinge. People who are now doing, you know, barbers, people who are doing bread, people who have industries, who have to fire their own generator. You know, I mean, you can see in some countries today what they've done, they ask everybody to work from home because they cannot, you know. Yes, you know, I think Indonesia also, they say no, only go to work 4 days a week, you know, and they will look at the situation. If it doesn't improve, they will ask everybody not to go to work anymore. We will do like that time of COVID, where people will now go and work from home. So I pray, and we all need to pray that this thing de-escalates. If it doesn't de-escalate, you know, normally we in Africa, we don't have any reserves in terms of savings or in terms of this. And so people normally go out and look for money for the next day or for the even same day, some of them. If they don't work that day, they won't eat. So I think really we just need all hands on deck to pray that this thing comes to an end.